Welcome back to this video. Here we have find the value of x and y in the diagram below. So this is the diagram, and here we have a plane geometry question. So what do you know? You find out that this line here goes like this, and you have a line here and you have a line here. Now, because from the question we have arrow that is in this form, shows that these two lines are parallel and this one here must be a transversal. Now here, this angle and this angle and this angle we are given, and we have s and y here unknown. So here and here, as you can see, they are facing each other, is what we call opposite angle. An opposite angle must be equal. So when I equate these two together, I can then find the value of s, and then we'll now know how we're going to get the value of y. So let's equate it. 3s plus 33 degree is equals to 4s plus 8 degree. And as a theory question, you must tell them why these two are equal. So in a bracket, you put opposite. You're not going to write it completely, just make it opposite. You put this angle. It means opposite angle. That's why they're equal. So now 4s will cross over, have 3s minus 4s, positive 4s crossing over become minus 4s equals to 8 will come here. Now 33 will cross over become minus 33. All right, so 3s minus 4s is going to give us a negative number, which is a negative what? S equals to 8 minus 33. 8 minus 30 is going to give us 22, and 22 plus the 3 is going to be 25. So here, a negative 25 because 8 cannot minus 23. So now I'm looking for s and not the negative s. So I'm going to divide by a negative 1 to cancel this s negative here. And I'm going to do that on the both sides. So this will cancel this negative. I have s remaining. S now going to be equals to minus 25 divided by minus 1. This will cancel. Is to give me just what? 25. So we have gotten that s is what? 25. Now, if s is 25, what is then now y? Because we have to find s and y. Now, we're going to find the relationship between this part and this other part. Now, let me extend this line more further again so we can see and visualize very well. Now, if you look closely, we have what we call alternating angle. We have what we call corresponding angle. Now, this angle here, this angle you have here, correspond to G over here. This angle is equals to this angle, G. Sorry. Yes. This angle is equals to this angle, what? G. And then I'm not looking for G. I'm looking for what? Y. Which Y is on this what? Angle. So which angle is going to correspond to Y over here? So what corresponds to this angle here is H. H corresponds to this what? Angle here. But I cannot just say H is equals to this, and I have unknown H and also unknown Y in the same equation. Two variable cannot be unknown. So I must not use this relationship. What relationship can I use? If you look at this angle here is alternating to this angle. And alternating angle are always what? Equal. Now, for the fact that I have known that s is 25, I can substitute the value of s 25 here, and then I'll get the full number here and equate it with this, also minus the angle that is going to be here. So let's do that. You have 3s plus 23. This angle alternating here is equals to what? G. Now I don't know what G is, but I know that this angle must be equal to this angle. But now S was going to 25. We have that 3 bracket 25 plus 33 equals G. Now in this case, 3 times 25 is going to give us what? 25, 50, 75. 75 plus 33. Add 30 and 70. You're going to have what? 100. Add 3 in 5. You're going to have what? 8. So we have 108 is equals to what? G. So the total angle here is 108, and also the total angle here should be also be what? 108, because they are what? Alternating to each other. So here is what? 108. But how did this angle here concern with the y we are looking for? Because this line is a straight line, and according to a straight line, the angle on a straight line, which is this whole angle here, is where 180. So when I add this and this, I'm going to get what? 180. So because of that, I can now find out what y is from the equation I'm going to form new. Now that new equation is going to be that 108 plus 5y minus 3 degree is equals to what? 180. Remember, it's a theory question. You tell them that is sum of angle on a straight line. You get. So now 100 minus 3, we're gonna 108 minus 3, we're gonna have 105 plus 5y equals 180. Now 180 is going to come here. Sorry, 105 is going to go over here, and we have only 5y left. So we have 5y equals to 180 minus, when this person become 105. Now in this case, 180 minus 105, 100 take away 100, we don't have 80 left. 80 minus 5 is going to give us 75. So we have 5y equals what? 75. Now, what else is remaining? We're not looking for 5, 5, we're looking for what? Just y. So what we're going to have here is that we're going to use 5 and divide by both sides, so that I have 5 equals 75 divided by 5 divided by 5. This cancel this. I'm going to have y is equals to, now to show that you watch to the end, what is 75 over 5? Let's know on the comment. So don't forget to share and then like this video, subscribe if it's your first time. Now if you're not on my WhatsApp online class, WhatsApp me on 0815395 57022. If you're in another country, consider adding it plus 3 plus 23